So Mr. Scotty here has the radiator draining from the petcock. Haha, we said petcock. Haha. Hey mama.
Oh, no.
We said petcock.
No.
Petcock.
No.
What do you think about petcock? She's hiding because that was her old pastime. Xander thinks that's funny. I'm gonna get beaten with a purse.
I'm gonna leave if you don't.
Okay, we're anyway. So that's draining, and then the two lines, the big long tubes under the truck, those have petcocks as well. Scotty's gonna drain those. Scotty, are you putting Kyle's cock back in?
Yes.
Ooh.
And you're getting ready to drain his pipes.
Oh my god. Mama, what do you think of that?
What?
He was putting Kyle's cock back in, and now he's gonna drain his pipes. It's so fun to embarrass Mama on camera. We love Mama.
It would be pretty hard to embarrass me.
Well,
I'm right here.
We
so
know you
gotta
can be embarrassed by.
Oh, no, not anymore.
She's.
Oh, will you stop that?
What do you think,
Where's
Xander?
I think just keep doing it.
Is this ridiculous?
Where's the creeper?
I'm right here.
No, not the creep. There's a difference.
Oh, for God's sake.
Yeah. And with that,
I like your socks.
Thank you.
look at Mama. She's like stylish.
Would you stop taking pictures of me?
And with that,
With that cane in her hand, I guarantee you she will beat you. No, you've probably already beaten him at least once in his life.
wire coat hanger. Lies.
That was not me.
Yes, it was.
No, I bet it was Grandma.
Oh yeah, she
Yeah,
would've
but the problem
beat
is,
my
did he deserve it? Probably. So there you go.
hand. Oh, Jesus. All right, so Scotty's going down. What else is new?
Right?
Jesus. All right, so there's two petcocks in these pipes here. Which for a new front. Look, there's one right there. Mama, you okay?
No.
All right, so Scotty's twisting.
Quit picking on Scotty.
Not picking on him. We're making jokes with. It's different.
What is he doing?
He's opening the petcocks on these tubes. Drain them.
Yeah, that ain't happening.
What is it? Cocked?
Yep.
Cute.
See if we can get this one to go.
All right. Well, we might have to take the whole plug out then of the other one, which is fine because there's still pipe thread. So.
Can I get a channel lock? Yeah, channel locks will do it.
Get that man a pair of channel locks, Mr. Xander.
Please and thank you.
They're called the magic words. Scotty, what are you doing?
I'm draining someone's pipes.
Looks like he's peeing to me. Oh, is that going to be on there?
Yes, Mama. Thank you. You made a good comment. This is great. Mama's getting in on the obscene action around here. You okay? You need a hand?
Yeah.
Hey! Ah! One muskrat up. All right, so that one's draining. The other one, Scotty, I guess you're going to have to put a wrench on it and take the whole plug out.
Yep.
Which sucks, but it is what it is.